How to delete TikTok messages from both sides. Did you send a TikTok message by mistake and want to delete it from both sides? In this video, I'll show you how to remove messages on TikTok so both you and the recipient won't see them anymore. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app, tap the inbox at the bottom, and just select the conversation where you want to delete the message. Let's say this is the message that I want to delete. Now press and hold the message that you want to delete. A menu will pop up. Simply tap delete and the message will be disappear from your side. Now if you want to delete the message from your both sides, you'll need to tap on delete for everyone. Let's say I send this message. Simply tap on it, click on delete, and here you can find option that says delete for everyone. Simply delete it. Remember that you can only delete messages you've sent. You can't delete the other person's messages, and you need to make sure that you delete it before 24 hours. So after this time you won't have the option to delete them from both sides, and that's how you delete TikTok messages from both sides.